Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to export passwords from Google Password Manager to use with another service in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy. Scroll down. Now press on Autofill service from Google. Now click on Google Password Manager. Press on Settings. Here you can see the option of Export Passwords. Click on this. Press on Export. Enter your password. Then from here, you can choose the file where you want to save. Then select one and press on this Save option. And you can also rename your passwords. That's it. So this is how to export passwords from Google Password Manager to use another service in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.